Good morning, students. Welcome back in your science class. Today we will do lesson 5 heat. Topic comparison of Fahrenheit and Celsius scale reading. We have done in last video also how can we change Celsius into Fahrenheit and Fahrenheit into Celsius. जैसे हम मीटर को सेंटीमीटर में बदल सकते हैं और सेंटीमीटर को मीटर में. Like meter and centimeter, we can change the degree of Fahrenheit into degree of Celsius. Look in this table. Normal room temperature. What is the normal room temperature? The normal room temperature in Celsius 23 degrees Celsius and in Fahrenheit 72 degree Fahrenheit. Clear? And normal human body temperature, हमारी बॉडी का जो नॉर्मल टेम्परेचर है सेल्सियस में कितना है 36.9 and in Fahrenheit 98.4 our body temperature. And water boil at 100 degree and in Fahrenheit 212 degree Fahrenheit. It means 100 degree Celsius is equal to 212 degree Fahrenheit. 100 degree Celsius is equal to 100 degree Celsius is equal to 212 degree Fahrenheit. Next, water freeze at 0 degree. The freezing point of water 0 degree. And in Fahrenheit it is 32 degree Fahrenheit. We have done in last video how can we change 0 degree Celsius into Fahrenheit is equal to 32 degree Fahrenheit. Next, the range of laboratory thermometer. The laboratory thermometer range means lowest point and highest point. Range means lowest point and highest point. The range of laboratory thermometer minus 10 degree Celsius to 110 degree Celsius. But in school there is a thermometer, reading of thermometer is from 0 degree Celsius to 100 degree Celsius. Activity 3. To find the range and list count of different thermometer. Chapter 5th, the name of this chapter heat. Activity 5, to find the range and list count of different thermometer. For this I am going to take the example of first scale. First I will explain the list count in this scale. We have given a scale. This scale has two sides, upper and lower. On upper side there are centimeter and millimeter. Centimeter and millimeter. And the lower side there are inches. Okay. We can measure. We can measure lowest length. लोवेस्ट से लोवेस्ट लेंथ कितनी मेजर कर सकते हैं हम इस स्केल से. वी हैव गिवन 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. These are the centimeter. Okay, these are the centimeter. Between centimeter there are small division. there are small division between 1 and 2. There are small division, there are small lines, there are 10 division, 1 2 3 4 5. This is the fifth division. In the center there is the fifth division, then 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. Between 1 and 10 there are 10 division. It means we can measure smallest length 10th part of 1 centimeter. It means we can measure 1 millimeter. Smallest से smallest length जो हम इसके साथ measure कर सकते हैं, this is 1 millimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. That's why we can measure smallest length is equal to 1 millimeter. Like this scale, we will find the smallest degree temperature which we can measure in the thermometer. Means we will find the least count. Least count of this scale is 1 millimeter, and we will find the least count of. This is a thermometer. In this thermometer there are two scales, degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit. Degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit. First of all, we will see the degree Celsius starting from -30. Below 0 there are minus, -10, -20, -30. But we use the thermometer in our laboratory that is starting from 0 to 100. Clear? That's why look in the figure, Celsius scale, minimal temperature which we can measure by this thermometer. We will find that is the least count. Look in this figure. Suppose 0 and between 0 and 10. Between 0 and 10 there are 10 division like scale. 10 division. Okay. In scale after 0 there is 1, but there is 0 and 10. There are 10 division between 0 and 10. That's why we can measure minimum distance in this thermometer 1 degree Celsius. कम से कम हम कितना टेम्परेचर मेजर कर सकते हैं? 1 degree Celsius. Because between 0 and 10 there are 10 division. They are of 1 degree, 1 degree, 1 degree. They are of 1 degree. Look in the thermometer. Starting from 0 to 10, the degree increasing 1 to 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 0, after 0 there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Least value which we can measure, the least temperature which we can measure by this thermometer is 1. And we have given a formula also. We have given the formula of least count of instrument is equal to difference between two mark reading and total number of division between them. Distance between two mark reading and difference between two mark reading and total number of division between them. Suppose our thermometer lowest point 0 and highest point, lowest value 0 and highest 100. Then what is the difference? 100 minus 0, 100. and we have a thermometer. We have a thermometer starting from 0 and the highest point is 100. Then total number of division is also 100. So 100 by 100 1. We can measure 1 degree Celsius temperature. In some thermometer we can measure temperature 0.1 also. Difference between two mark reading is the range. Means range is equal to difference between two mark reading. Means highest reading and the lowest reading. Suppose in our school thermometer, the range of school thermometer 0 to 100, then what is the difference? 100 minus 0. Do this activity and take 4 types of thermometer and find the range and list clinical thermometer. We use specially designed and calibrated mercury in glass thermometer to measure our body temperature. Such a thermometer is known as clinical or doctor thermometer. The clinical thermometer is different from ordinary laboratory thermometer. Our clinical thermometer is different from laboratory thermometer in two respects. Number 1, it is calibrated from 35 degree to 42 degree. First point, it is calibrated from 35 degree to 42 degree Celsius only. Our laboratory thermometer calibrated from 0 to 100. But clinical thermometer calibrated from 35 to 42 degree only. Why it is calibrated from 35 to 42? This is because this is the range over which the body temperature of normal human body can vary. You know, the normal temperature of body is 36.9 degrees Celsius. That's why the range of our body temperature 35 degree Celsius to 42 degree Celsius. 35 degree Celsius to 42 degree Celsius. That's why the range of clinical thermometer is 35 degree Celsius to 42 degree Celsius. And second point, it has a slight band or kink in its capillary tube. This kink is given the name constriction. In our clinical thermometer, there is a band. Band means मुड़ा हुआ or kink in capillary tube. The constriction ensure that mercury thread does not fall back. When we measure the temperature of our body, when we put the thermometer in our mouth to measure the temperature, the mercury level increase and the constriction means क्लिनिकल थर्मामीटर की शेप इस तरह से बनी होती है, वहाँ कंस्ट्रिक्शन ऐसी की होती है कि वो मर्करी का लेवल अपने आप नीचे ना आ जाए. द कंस्ट्रिक्शन इंश्योर दैट मर्करी थ्रेड डज नॉट फॉल बैक बाय इटसेल्फ आफ्टर दिस थर्मामीटर हैज़ बीन यूज्ड टू मेजर द टेम्परेचर ऑफ पर्सन. जैसे ही हम किसी पर्सन का टेम्परेचर मेजर करें तो अपने आप नीचे ना आए. द रीडिंग कैन देयरफॉर बी टेकन कन्वेंशनली, कि हम इजीली उसकी रीडिंग को ले लें. इजीली हम उसकी रीडिंग को ले पाएँ. दिस वुड नॉट बी केस इफ एन ऑर्डिनरी लेबोरेटरी थर्मामीटर वाज यूज फॉर दिस. If we use laboratory thermometer at place of clinical thermometer, then it is not possible. Do you know the normal human body temperature is the average body temperature of large number of healthy person. Yes beta, normal human body temperature 36.9 degrees Celsius and in Fahrenheit 98.4 degree Fahrenheit. लिसन बेटा, नॉर्मल ह्यूमन बॉडी टेम्परेचर एवरेज, बहुत से हेल्दी पर्सन का टेम्परेचर को मेज़र किया जाता है, फिर उनकी एवरेज निकाली जाती है. दैट्स वाई इट इज़ 36.9 डिग्री सेल्सियस और इन फ़ारेनहाइट 98.4 डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट. ए बॉडी टेम्परेचर क्लोज टू 40 डिग्री सेल्सियस और 104 डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट indicate a condition of high fever. If the body of temperature increase 98.4 degree to 104, then it means it high fever. Next point, nowadays digital thermometer are preferred over the conventional mercury thermometer. At place of mercury thermometer, nowadays we use electronic thermometer. In our school nowadays, due to corona, we will measure the temperature. We also use the digital thermometer. These thermometers are easy to read as they give a LCD display of the temperature of the person. They are also mercury free. In electronic thermometer, in digital thermometer, there is no mercury and हमें उसमें टेम्परेचर को नहीं देखना पड़ता, ऑटोमेटिक उसमें टेम्परेचर LCD डिस्प्ले के ऊपर डिस्प्ले हो जाता है. लिसन, दिस थर्मामीटर आर इजी टू रीड एज दे गिव ए LCD डिस्प्ले ऑफ द टेम्परेचर ऑफ द पर्सन एंड दे आर आल्सो मर्करी फ्री. एक्टिविटी 4, टू मेजर द ह्यूमन बॉडी टेम्परेचर. To measure the human body temperature using a clinical thermometer. How can doctor measure the temperature of a person? Before measuring the body temperature, wash the thermometer with a antiseptic solution. First of all, doctor wash the thermometer. Suppose किसी अनहेल्दी पर्सन का टेम्परेचर को मेज़र किया तो वो नेक्स्ट किसी पर्सन को ना हो जाए. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वॉश विद एंटीसेप्टिक सोल्यूशन. होल्ड इट फर्मली एंड गिव इट ए फ्यू जर्क्स. मीन्स डॉक्टर उसे पकड़ता है और उसको ऐसे हिलाता है अच्छे से. वाई? द जर्क विल ब्रिंग द लेवल ऑफ मर्करी बिलो 35 डिग्री सेल्सियस. व्हेन द डॉक्टर जर्क द थर्मोमीटर, is level of mercury go to below 35 degree Celsius. Now place the thermometer gently under the tongue of the person being observed. Person की टंग के नीचे रखा जाता है. Let it remain there for about 1 minute. Now take out the thermometer and note it reading. While reading, keep the line of sight along the convex means of the level of mercury. Means see the level of mercury and scale very carefully. Calibrated means scale. Calibrated means the scale. While we read the temperature in the thermometer, do very carefully. This is the body temperature of the person under observation.